In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Chrome extensions by showing you exactly how to remove an extension you no longer need. Extensions can be incredibly useful for enhancing your browsing experience, but over time, some may become unnecessary or even interfere with your browser's performance. Removing them is a simple task once you know how to do it, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin by opening Google Chrome, which is the browser we'll be using for this tutorial. Make sure it's up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security updates. Once you have Chrome open, you'll want to navigate to the list of extensions. To do this, take a look at the upper right corner of your browser window. You should see a little puzzle piece icon. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu showing all your installed extensions. If you don't see a puzzle piece, another option is to click on the three dots vertically aligned in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a menu where you can hover over More Tools and then click on Extensions in the sub-menu that appears. Now that you're in the Extensions page, you'll see a list of all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Scroll through this list to find the one named Grammarly. We all love Grammarly for helping us catch grammatical errors, but maybe you've decided that it's time to remove it for whatever reason, be it to free up resources or because you're trying something new. Once you locate Grammarly among your extensions, you'll see an icon that looks like three vertical dots right next to it. Click on these dots, and a small menu will pop up with an option labeled Remove from Chrome. Click on Remove from Chrome. Don't worry, this process is completely reversible if you decide you need Grammarly back in the future. A confirmation dialog box will likely appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove the extension. Double check to make sure you've selected the correct extension, and then click the Remove button again to finalize this action. Your browser might take a split second to process this, but once it's done, Grammarly will no longer be part of your extension list. And there you have it. You've successfully removed an extension from Google Chrome. It's a straightforward process that can help streamline your browsing experience, freeing up resources and potentially enhancing speed and performance. Regularly reviewing and managing your extensions is a great habit to keep your browser functioning optimally. Feel free to explore other extensions you might not be using often and decide if they're worth keeping. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your digital workspace.